Hello, mic testing. Right now I'm this trade. I'm taking a long. This gap is up. This should be expansion to the upside. So right now, touch the see. I want expansion to the upside if we are bullish. Yes, I want expansion to the upside. If we did not, I don't know what the market going to do next, and I will not be trading anymore. This is my one and the only trade for today. It's Tuesday, and it's 17th of Feb. I'm setting stop loss on the low. I don't know how. Go back to set the stop loss low. Not it. Okay, the least where I want price to go is this lower quarter 4 hour. This is not daily, but 4 hour a week. This long week. So down than this, below than this will make me just. I don't know. I will be. I don't give a f about the market. I don't know what the market is going to do. It's going to consolidate or going to continue. But this is setup formed 5 minute breaking market structure, and it was a 15 minute was presented fair value gap, and there are smooth highs up there, extreme smooth highs. I know it's a breaking market structure on 15 minute, but still there are many reasons to go up. That's why I took this trade, and yeah, I still the low should be going to the upside. Should be respecting the low, go to the upside, trending to the upside. So okay, yeah, at the low quarter of the okay, not the way I want the market to go. Let's see. I want expansion to the upside. I want the upper quarter to break down to the upside, start going up, expand to the upside. So I don't want the C to be respected to the downside. I don't want any video to be respected to the downside. My stop is in the right place, 440, 441. It's a bit higher than okay. Hit the stop loss. I hit the sell on the 100 lead, and I risked 100 as we were recover from our loss. Stopped on the 100 lead because of spread. We haven't hit the SL yet, even the previous one. If we break this upper quarter, I will enter on the 100 lead again. Hit the SL, I'll be out. Okay, I think I don't want to give today. Respecting the lower quarter to the downside, not a good sign. I think we are not getting the day we want. Let's just wait for one. Hello, so we hit the stop loss and I'm not interested anymore. So I'm going to give up a little overview why what the day was, how the day was looking, and why did I enter on this trade. So let's start from the monthly chart. To is what it is. I'm not in many emotions. I follow my rule. I trade my plan, and it's just what the market is today. So this is the monthly week. I highlighted the longest week. Weekly is closest one and the recent one. So you can see this is the upper half. We were in the upper half, and on the daily, uh, I highlighted this, but as you can see, they were it's a quarter hour same as this weekly week. quarters, and the CE of the monthly is same as weekly as well as the daily. On 4-hour chart, we are in discount. No SMT was created on 4-hour, not as well as 1 hour or any 15-hour SMT. So the news was at 8:30. It was Canadian CAPI news, and after the news, we went above into the weekly opening gap, traded into the old G to the upper quarter, and yeah. And the question is, why did I trade the? Why did I take the loss? So there was some smooth highs up there. So it clearly can be seen. This was the first presented 15-minute gap, and I'm going to show the 5 minute. This was the 5 minute, and this can also be called a powerful 5 minute gap. And on 1 hour, this was 1 minute was presented favorably with respect to the upper quarter. I had this 4-hour discount week, recent one, which can be used as a PDRA. So we break to the upside 5 minute break market structure as well. And after that, I entered uh, on the first presented 15-minute gap plus the per quarter. One mistake I did is I did not wait for the proportional block, and I just noticed that, and it was like just because to me it was very powerful uh, and logical that we will take this high, and we 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 might don't even may not even trace into this. So that's why I entered on the Think Capital earlier. So I took this trade, but as you can see, went in the lower quarter range, didn't took any high in recent high, and went lower. Uh, shitty kind of price action. So yeah, this was the day, and hmm, I did one. So one thing I did against what I learned was the thing that we were on long term bearish. We were extending lower, and as well as today, we were going lower. So I would have, would be more expected higher pricing, and but I did because there was some very powerful reason to me, and in my mind it was more logical to take a long trade, and to get a reason to enter on this was a powerful reason for me to enter the way it's like the upper quarter breaking market structure plus 5 15 minute fair value gap to from IFVG. So yeah, but yeah, it is what it is, and it resulted in a loss on the funded rate again. Like the second I risked more than I was risking, I get the losses I already had, and we'll see. And on the think employee risk 100, we are now $100 or 100 plus dollar. No, so this was the day. I'm not going to look at the chart anymore. Not interested anymore. So yeah, this was the evolution of the execution. Yeah, already. So anyway, so yeah, that's it. Laugh is. I want this low quarter to be respected to the upside. Macro in play, 5 minute breaking market structure. I'm very confident that we are going into this and inshallah to this. What happened? फोन की हो गया. I want this to work to upside. We love to see an expansion from here, not spending a lot of time here. I love how the 5 minute candle closed at the C of the 15 minute was present fair value gap. You love to see the 5 minute candle close above or on this structure. I'm going to close the recording for now because it's already been a long video and already there was already a yeah, it's become already a long video, so I'm going to close this video. So I am out of the trade, one of the on one of my account. The fund lead this was more than 1 RR, so we are out, out of the loss and take 1.5 RR. Alhamdulillah, 1 point almost 5 RR. So the second one, I'm holding this trade till at least this high. and it depends on how we treat this area. If we just spend time here, if we do spend time here, then I will be out of this trade, and if we expand from this, then I'll be more looking to this area, which is I think this low quarter or this C for hour, which is more likely to happen. So I will see, and I'll be after taking this high, I'll be setting the stop loss very strictly. So yeah. So one thing which is you can see there, I had the stop loss and I get the opportunity again, and then stick with my bias and waited for a proportional block, which I didn't wait for in one trade, and yeah, entered again, risking again. So yeah, believe in your bias, believe in your knowledge, but don't be overconfident. Do things in your plan area, following your plan, knowing your limits. So I do have one trade to take, so I can take 2 losses a day. So that's the limit for me, which I have set. It's set. So I take 1 loss and get the opportunity to again. I take a trade again. So I want exponential upside now. Let's see this. Spend too much time here. If we take high very slowly, yeah, might be out. We'll set the stop loss to this low. I don't know. It's not likely to. Oh, but it might can. I was going to say that it's not likely to trace down, but it can. It's 5 minute break marks and this is a breaker. So yeah, to be more careful, keep in mind. So I don't want this low cut to be respected. Want an expansion to the upside. Don't want this any of these to be respected to the downside. Don't want breaking mark restriction, respect this low. The first present a favorite to the downside, which can make it like I can go to this C, and we can result in break even. It can go into the C. It might can go into this low cut too. It's not more likely to happen if this have a very rare thing. So yeah, I'll be setting the stop loss to the break. I will not think about the money, but more about where is the logical area to set the stop loss. So yeah, I'm going to close the video for now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mic testing. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. It is the next morning, and this was the result of the day. I hold it on the Think Capital, and we went out here. Honestly, I already knew that we are going to go up, and but I didn't want to make it up 100% because there's nothing 100% on market, as much I know right now. So yeah, set the stop loss to here below this gap CE, and yeah, it took me and then went into the first presented, and let's get into the real chart. Here's all the periods are highlighted, went into the lower quarter of the weekly. This didn't the candles were down here, but still it was respecting it. As you can see, I think on 5 minute I am confident that it respected it. As you can see, it respected it and then start going up and reach the target, and ended up into the 50%, then start retracing, and yeah, now we'll be going, I think, into the 50%, and then we might go lower and take the lows. I don't know. So yeah, this was the day, and on funded lead I got out here, and on Think Capital we resulted in, I think, 1 RR plus, and we resulted in break even yesterday on the Think Capital. 1 loss and 1 win, 1 hour reverse. So yeah, this was the day, and yeah, Allah Hafiz.